Claflin doing a lot of things on campus. They have actually had, like, during the year, 5 showcase days, and that is having some of our top high school students to come in on campus. And at that time, you know, when we have these students come on campus, you know, we are able to award them, you know, scholarships. The government SACs, they invited like 100+ students from HBCUs to attend New York City, New York in November of this past year. And the Goldman Sachs HBCU Summit, Leadership Summit, selected 6 students from Claflin to attend.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. So next, if we have the representative from the regional directors.
The Midlands area this year, we have more students recruited from that area than all the other areas.
I'm Dr. Jimmy Blake Schuler. I represent the Mid-Atlantic region, which is North Carolina, Virginia, Washington, D.C., and Maryland. Claflin is now in the CIAA, and of course that tournament is always held in Charlotte, and they're now gearing up to have some activities for alumni who attend the CIAA to participate in. So look forward to information coming from the Charlotte chapter on that.
We are having the convention in Charleston, South Carolina, and it represents the Charleston chapter, given it is a coalition of 3 other chapters: Berkeley, Dorchester, Carleton, and Charleston County. All of us got together, and our new name is the Greater South Carolina Coastal Alumni Chapters of Claflin University. When you come to Charleston next year, our dates include April 25th through the 28th.
Okay, at this time, a motion to adjourn. Okay, it's been properly moved and second. This meeting is adjourned. Thank you.
When a student comes to Claflin University, the thing they need most, they need a lot of things. They need a social connection. They need money. They need all kinds of things. What they need most is education, and that is what we do best. So we're not guessing that our education matters, and you know it does. But the number one obstacle to student success is not academic preparedness. It is not social network. The biggest thing, the biggest challenge in the room is financial resources.
So we want to make sure that you as alumni, you as our top supporters, and we know that you have given sacrificially, and we want to say thank you for that, because we wouldn't be who we are without you, and we thank you.